I am creating viral Instagram carousel posts by combining Claude Design with Canva without me having to design anything at all. All you have to do is take inspiration from your competitor's website or Dribbble or what have you, then feed those inspiration to Claude Design. That will create pixel perfect matching design for you, and you can easily in just one click click on share, send to Canva, and here you have your design right inside Canva. To give you another example, here is the mood board that I really like and I want to convert this according to our niche and reference. So we will download these images, drop that to Claude Design and export that via Canva, and here we have our reference. So in my example, I'm always talking about Claude Code AI automation, so we will convert according to our niche and industry. So that's how you can create any carousel design for Instagram by using Claude Design and Canva. To do this for yourself, you have to plug in Canva connector inside your Claude account. So head over to claude.ai, go to connectors and configure with your Canva plugin. And now Claude has full access to your Canva account. After that, head over to left side and you will see this brand new tab called Design, which is a new product by Claude that will help you to create wireframes, high fidelity image just by typing in plain English. This is Claude Code Design dashboard, and here are other things that you can also create apart from Instagram carousel posts. For example, your landing page, your iOS onboarding page, your email newsletter, and so many other things. So let's name our project Carousel Designs. We will select default system and we want to select high fidelity and not wireframe. Click on create. Now comes our design canvas, where on the left hand side you will chat with it so that you can make any changes, upload reference, upload screenshot or any code base. And here is our beautiful dashboard where you will see a live result of what it is generating or doing for your designs. And the best part here is once you're done with your design, you can export or hand off to Claude Code. It will start designing actual working app for you. Now I want you to take a step back before starting anything inside your canvas or even writing your first prompt. I want you to find your design reference or inspiration. So I want to have this Windows 95 theme carousel design with this Instagram.exe app, and I want to give shout out to top 10 AI content creators. So what we will do is we will download this or copy this image as a reference and paste it here. And now it's time to start prompting. But our goal here is to create an Instagram carousel post. So we need to give proper context before even starting anything. First of all, we want to create an 11-page carousel series where the first page will be a heading page like top 10 creators to follow, and the rest 10 pages will be this screenshot where we will place the name of the creator, their following count, obviously their profile picture. Here we can also add a small description and their feed screenshot. So we don't want to feed anything here. We will do that in Canva. I hope you got my point. So here is my prompt. I want to create a viewport in Instagram format, which is 1080 into 1440. And I want to create an 11 page where the first page will be the heading top 10 Instagram creators to follow about AI. And the rest will be these pages. Yeah, I think that's good to go. So let's give it a go. And here's what I love about Claude Design. Before you start doing anything or instead just guessing, it will ask you clarifying questions so it exactly know what you want and exactly create what you had in your mind. So we want to create total 11 pages. The first will be the cover and the rest 10 pages will be 10 shout out page for 10 creators. Yeah, I want to create the exact Windows 95 window frame. I think I don't know what's the answer is going to be. So decide that for me. And the focus area will be 3x3 grid, yes. And yes, we definitely want to have real placeholders so that we can easily edit inside Canva. Yeah, I don't have the name right now, so just leave placeholders. Then all of these pages will be laid out side by side so that I can see everything at once. And I also want to export this as PDF file so that it will be automatically added to my Canva designs. Let's click on continue. And within seconds, here is our result. I think this is much better. This is the first page. If we scroll along, yeah, the rest of the pages will be same, but we haven't given any inspiration or reference for the first page, but still it had the notification of Windows 95, plus even it also used the Windows background with the perfect start button, the application, and all of these icons. So I really love this design, and obviously you can play around and edit anything as you like according to your preference or choice. But the best part here is instead of using this text bar that will consume token, you can also use this inbuilt edit feature where you can change the font, change the number, or whatever you want to do. Go crazy with it. So go to my profile section and check out this next post that I will do and let me know how it performs. Now for the next steps, we will provide all the screenshots of the creators that we want to include in this list. So as you can see, I have uploaded all of the screenshots, and what it will do is it will update the following count, their bio, their Instagram handle, everything. But we are not adding those images because we have to use a lot of tokens. So what we will do is, once we are happy with our result and happy with our design, it's time to export this as PNG and share that to our Canva account. Click on share and you will find this option, send to Canva. And this entire HTML page will be converted into editable PNG file inside your Canva account. And here we have our Canva link. So let's open that. And there you go. Here is our Canva design with all of the images, editable, modifiable as you like. So if you open this and if you even click on this, you can see it is clickable. Let's say we can name this as 180K. So yeah, I hope you got my point that these images are editable, modifiable, however you like. So now what we will do is we will upload all of this Instagram profile picture and their feed screenshot one by one quickly inside our Canva account. Awesome, we are done with the profile picture and feed page screenshot for all of these creators. Now it's time to actually export this as PNG file and upload it to my Instagram. So make sure to check out my next post or this particular post and let me know how it performs. And Claude Design has infinite limit for your creativity. The best thing that I have seen is providing with reference image or any existing code base. Let's say you have your own landing page. So just give codebase or give access to your logos brand asset and it will nail down with perfect fonts, color palettes, logos, whatever you have inside your brand kit, and will give you the best optimal output for your designs. So if you like me to create more content like this, just drop a like, subscribe and follow for more.